Bonjour à tous et à toutes. Bienvenue à Learn French by Sheena. I hope you all are doing well. Today, the topic of discussion is the sound and phonetics in French. So, we will be starting with the sound of a, u. A, u. When we combine all the three letters, it gives us the sound of O. O. We have the letter O, and the sound for that is also O. Likewise, a, u give us the same sound, O. Alright? So, let's start learning the word with the similar sound. L'eau. L'eau, which means water. Un chapeau. Un chapeau, a hat. Un couteau. Un couteau, a knife. Un bateau. Un bateau, a boat. Un plateau. Un plateau, a tray. Un réseau. Un réseau, a network. La peau. La peau, the skin. Alright, we'll repeat the words so that the pronunciation is clear. L'eau, un chapeau, un couteau, un bateau, un plateau, un réseau, la peau. Now we will be learning another sound, and that is OI. OI sound in French. We pronounce OI as wa. Wa. This is the sound for OI. So wherever you find OI in any word, you will pronounce as wa. Okay? Let's start looking at the words which gives the similar sound. Roi. Roi. A king. Un choix. Un choix, a choice. Un oiseau. Un oiseau, a bird. Une boîte. Une boîte, which means a box. Un soir. Un soir, an evening. Un mois. Un mois, a month. Une poire. Une poire, a pear. We'll be repeating all these words one more time. Essayez de répéter après moi. Vas-y. Un roi. Un choix. Un oiseau. Un oiseau. Une boîte. Un soir. Un mois. Une poire. C'est clair? Now we will be learning the GN sound. GN sound. In French we pronounce G as G. That's why I'm pronouncing it as GN. And when we combine these two letters, we get a sound near. Near. Alright? Now we will be learning the words which have the similar sound. Alright? Let's start. Le champagne. Le champagne. Champagne. Gagner. Gagner, to win. Baigner. Baigner, to take a bath. La ligne. La ligne, the line. Une araignée. Une araignée, a spider. Mignon. Mignon, cute. La montagne. La montagne, which means the mountain. Champignon. Champignon, mushrooms. I hope the sounds are clear to you. I will repeat one more time so that it gets more clear. Le champagne. Gagner. Baigner. La ligne. Une araignée. Mignon. La montagne, champignon, Now we will be learning the CH sound. CH sound. And when we combine these two letters, we get a sound of sh. Sh. Alright, let's start the words with the similar sounds. Shia, shia, a dog. Show, show, a cabbage. Chateau, chateau, a palace. Chanteur, chanteur, to sing. Chanteuse, chanteuse, female singer. Une cloche, a bell. Une douche, a shower. Cacher, cacher, which means to hide. I will repeat all the words one more time. Un chien, un chat, un château, chanteur, chanteuse, une cloche, une douche, cacher. I hope my video is clear to you and all the sounds which we have discussed, all those things are clear. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section below. I would surely try to reply all your queries. So for now, please take care and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. A très bientôt.